It's my Crescent bandsaw. It's 36 inch. It was made in 1954 for the Navy at the Philadelphia Naval Yard. It's got a pretty cool tag from the Navy. That's the procurement tag. Shows the contract that it was awarded under. It's got quarter wheels and quarter guides, big table. I'll just give you a little 360 tour. That's the dust port. That's the foot brake to slow the thing down. It's the back side, the upper wheel. Machinery tag from Crescent. Cool little brass depth gauge. That's the hand wheel that tightens and loosens the blade, and this guy is the blade tilt, actually. Upper wheel assembly. Got a cool little counterweight to hold this massive blade post up. It's got a direct drive motor that's hooked up to the quarter wheels. And I'll go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Takes about 30 seconds for it to spin up.